As you can see, I'm here in our B2B messages search of our new message tracking. And I want to show you how to adjust the search profile to make it more comfortable for you. So the first to do is to remove all the available fields here. Next is to add the conditions I want to use in my daily search. For example, the start date of the process. I don't have to use these arrows here. I can use the wheel of my mouse to run through the values of the drop-down. As condition of my search, I want to use later or equal to, so you see there are further ones you can use. And the search result should contain data of this week. In addition, I want to use the partner. And as condition, I want to use equal to, because then I have a drop down of available partners in the end. Next, I want to have document number, and I want to use condition starts with, because sometimes I know only parts of it. So that's it for my little demo here. Now I'm gonna save it, search by partner, and then clicking the cogwheel and select save as, and now my search is saved. When I'm now reopen the search, I'm provided with the default view. Here I can select my adjusted one and use it. Since this unnecessary click is annoying me, I set my new search profile as Start View. Yay! Now you can see if I enter this page again, my search profile is preset. I hope this will simplify your working day. Thanks for your attention.